Alright, Dan, let's do it. I got that one box left. You got one earlier, and Donald tried a couple. So this is the other half of that master case. And I figure we just roll on all of it. We'll put the old one on top and the others on the bottom, so it'll be 1 to 9. $12, not there. 11, still not there. Well, I guess we're going to just stick with the old one. Oh, I can show what the new one looks like. You're going to get that last one from that case, number 98. That'll leave over 99, 09, 64, 17, 42, 54, 26, and 70 are the fresh ones. This is the last one from the first half of the case, number 98. And I think I just talked to Eric. He's already shipped your other ones, man. They're already on the way. In the future, if you let me know when you order, he's like, hey, hold on a minute. I might grab another one right after the break. Then I can combine it for you and put them all together. But yeah, I think Eric said he already packaged and shipped your other one. So there you go. Jersey. Packs are like super thin material. I guess all packs are, but these seem even thinner. I don't see any fat whites. That means it must be in there. You guys chopping or not? On my end it shows clear, but on my second screen it shows it's chopping. Are you guys chopping? Noah Hannafin. Jared McCann, red metal. You guys are chopping? Did it clear up now? Mine's clear now. I think it was a breaker's issue. That one's numbered to 150. Because on my main screen that runs the video, it shows 0 frames drop. So I don't believe it's chopping on my end. Yeah, it's clear now. I think that was a glitch on the breaker's end. Should be clear now. Jack Eichel. Rookie jersey. Just got his rookie patch. Now his rookie jersey. This one is numbered to 98. The blue. Zach Parise. Byron and Casey. This one's numbered to 399. Hot prospects. Matthias Janmark. Mike Bossy. Yeah, we were chopping broccoli there for a second. There's a lady I know, because if I didn't know her, she'd be the lady I didn't know. Gabriel Landeskog. Hunter Shinkarik. Jersey number 2, Antoine Bobo. Jersey. And Eunice Dunsky. I'll recap it. Your two coolest inserts, Jared McCann and Zach Parise. Blue and red. Your 2 rookie jerseys, Jack Eichel, Antoine Bobo. And now your patch. Yep, it's in there. Who will it be knocking at your door? Matt. This one is numbered to 499. Matt Pumple. Well, now it's chopping again. 499. There you go. Base. All right. Thanks again, Dan. We'll get this one on the way as well. See you, bud.